I believe COII Cano is the definition of a perfect effort.
You're gonna have the opportunity to change how you look at your problem.
My name's Magaly Cano and I am a CO2. I've always wanted to go into law enforcement. When I started working here, I started realizing how much of the environment in here connected with my personal life. My dad was incarcerated for the first part of my life. It really impacted me personally.
COII Cano started the department 2 years ago. When she came to the facility, she realized that some of her work from in the community could be very helpful to our population.
What do you feel? What do you see?
You Can Heal Your Life is a workshop based on the philosophy of Louis Hay. The program is a 2-day workshop based on going back to the root of where everything comes from, healing your trauma, and we give you the tools to do something different about it and to rewrite your story and to change your negative thoughts into positive thoughts.
Trauma-informed care is a very intense subject, and when you're working with a specialized population, you need to make sure that the person doing the class can relate to that and understand that. Because she works it every day, she realized that.
Doing these workshops outside of DLC, I really wanted to bring it into a place where I know it's most needed. And I said to myself, if I really want to make an impact or a change in the community, I can start in a place like this.
This is above and beyond the scope of employment, and I'm hoping that this is the future of the department. I'm hoping that the concept that we're going to treat individuals with humanity and understanding will be our new trend. She is setting a trend.
My mission is to make sure that I can impact as many people as I can here with my team and give them another opportunity to have them see within themselves that they're worthy, that they matter, and that there's second chances out there.